Hey everyone, today we'll learn how to embed Google Maps into your Webflow website. It's a great way to show your business location or any place of interest. Let's get started. In your Webflow project, navigate to the page where you want to add the map. Drag an embed element from the Elements panel onto your canvas. Go to Google Maps. Find the location you want to display. Click on Share. Then embed a map. Copy the iframe code provided. Back in Webflow, paste the iframe code into the embed element. Adjust the size of the embed element using the Style panel to fit your design. Preview your site to make sure the map appears correctly. And that's it. You've successfully added a Google Map to your Webflow site. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.